Hey guys, so welcome back. No, so one of the best ways for you to automate your laundry shop, ito nga, the best thing that you can do is to hire the right people, even the best people nga, diba? Minsan kasi pagdating sa pagninegosyo, business owner, medyo napapagod tayo, medyo naiinip tayo, kasi hindi talaga madali humanap or mag-hire ng isang tao na papagay sa negosyo natin, papagay sa kultura, at nakakaintindi ng vision ng isang company. Pero once you find that, it will really help your business grow to the point na ikaw mismo, you don't have to be there in your business. You don't have to always check on them. You don't have to be at your store kasi kampante ka na meron kang empleyado that does her or his job according to the company policies. So, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-the best na magagawa mo in making sure na ma-automate mo yung business mo is to find the right people, hire the right people that shares the same vision as you as the business owner. So, yun lang guys. Hope to see you on the next videos and hope na meron kang bagong natutunan.